meaning of equilibrium is balance, equality at both sides. Now why we here write chemical equilibrium? As you know, you are students of chemistry. In chemistry, we are deal just chemical reactions or chemical equation. Its mean if we have balance between chemical equation or chemical reaction, then this balance is called chemical equilibrium. The meaning of the chemical equilibrium is balance in chemical equation or chemical reaction. Now, what is the definition of chemical equilibrium? When forward and rate of reverse reaction is equal, but they are proceed in opposite direction, then this is called chemical equilibrium. Means when we have a state where reactions are proceeding from left to right and right to left, but in opposite direction. First of all, reaction is moving from left to right. After that, the number of products are decomposed and they are back into their reactants. They are moving from right to left. They are proceeding in opposite direction. This state is called chemical equilibrium. Let's take an example. Two molecules of hydrogen met with the one molecule of hydrogen. When met with the one molecule of oxygen, they form two molecules of water. First of all, number of hydrogen and number of oxygen. These are the reactants. They are met with each other and form a product that is water. First of all, reaction is moving forward direction, means from left to right. After some time, the number of products are strike with the walls of container and they decompose and change into their reactant. It means at that time the reaction is moved from right to left in reverse condition. First of all, reaction is moved in forward direction. After that, they are moving reverse reaction, and this is these both reactions are proceed in opposite direction at same time. This type of the state is called chemical equilibrium. Now we are discuss about the some conditions of chemical equilibrium. Here we are discuss just two conditions that is necessary for attaining equilibrium. First condition of the equilibrium is static equilibrium. The meaning of static is move in just one direction. In chemistry, static means stay. They are stopped. They stay in condition of static equilibrium. Reaction is proceed, but they just move in one direction, and the direction is from left to right, means in forward direction. In this static equilibrium, reaction cannot be moved from right to left or in backward direction. Here, in this static equilibrium, just physical appearance is changed or just reactants are changed into their products. Products cannot be changed in their reactants. This is the state of static equilibrium. The definition of the static equilibrium is that when reaction is start and they move from in left to right side, means in forward direction, after some time the number of reactants are completely reverse direction from right to left side. And this condition where number of reactants and products are changed in their condition. First of all, reactant change in product, then product change in their reactants. This type of the reaction is called dynamic reaction, and this state of equilibrium is called dynamic equilibrium. I repeat, when reaction is moved from left to right, means in forward direction. After that, number of products are changed and number of products are decomposed and changed in their reactants, means they are move in back direction in reverse reactions. That type of the reaction which are never be complete at any time, this type of reaction is called dynamic reaction, and this type of the equilibrium is called dynamic equilibrium. Okay, let's take an example. If we have a number 1 molecule of hydrogen and 1 molecule of iodine, they are met with each other and they form 2 molecules of the hydrogen iodide. This condition is obtained only in closed system. When first of all reactant reacts and form product, they are moving forward direction. After that, number of products are strike with the walls of container and change into their reactants. Means they are moving reverse direction. The moving of reaction from left to right and right to left side, this type of the reaction is called dynamic reaction, and this state of the equilibrium where number of reactant and the products are same due to the proceeding in both direction but in opposite side, this type of the equilibrium is called dynamic equilibrium. Now we are going to the explanation of dynamic equilibrium. Here we will discuss about the graphical explanation of dynamic equilibrium. First of all, graphical explanation means we take a graph. Here they have 2 components. First of all, they are x-axis and second one is the y-axis. On the x-axis we are taking time which are changing by the proceeding of reaction, and on the y-axis we are taking rate of reaction which are changed by the changing of number of reactant into products or number of products changing to reactants. First of all, at initial stage when reaction is just start, at that time number of reactants are so high, number of reactants are large. That's why the rate of forward reaction is so high, because number of reactant is high. At the start, at initial stage, number of product is so low. That's why the reaction rate of reverse is very low. After some time, by passing of time, the number of reactants are changed into number of products, means forward reactions are changing to reverse reaction because number of reactants change into products and the number of product is increasing. That's why the number of reactant is less. By passing some time, when number of reactants and number of products are equal, then the rate of forward and the reverse reaction is equal. How they are equal? When number of reactant is let's suppose they are in 5 number and the number of product is 5. When they are both in equal number, then the combining of reactants and the decomposition of products are at equal rate, and this state where the forward and the reverse rate is equal, this state is called chemical equilibrium or dynamic equilibrium. I repeat, when the number of reactants and number of products are same or they are at one position where the forward and the reverse rate is equal, this state is called equilibrium. Means forward and the reverse reaction is equal. How they are equal? When number of reactants are changing to products and number of products are changing to reactants. When the both reaction rates are same, then they are in equal state, and this state is called dynamic equilibrium. I hope you all understand. Now I repeat this lecture. First of all, we must discuss about the meaning of equilibrium. The meaning of equilibrium is balance, and the meaning of the chemical equilibrium is the balance chemical equation or reaction. If we take any type of reaction or any type of the equation and we have a balance in these reactions or equation, then this balance is called chemical equilibrium. Further, the definition of the chemical equilibrium is that when the rate of forward and the reverse reaction is equal but in opposite direction, means reactions are proceeding at same time but in opposite direction, then this state is called chemical equilibrium. Chemical equilibrium have two types or conditions. First condition of the chemical equilibrium is static equilibrium. Static equilibrium means that type of the reaction which are start and stop at the end, means just reactants change into their products can never be changed in the reactants. The reactions which are moved in one direction, these reactions are called static reaction, and the state where this type of the equilibrium is obtained, where these static reactions are occur, this equilibrium is called static equilibrium. The example of the static equilibrium is that when the number of one molecule of the hydrogen is met with the one molecule of the iodine, they form two molecule of the hydrogen iodide. In this case, just reactants are react and form products. Product can never be decomposed and changed into reactants because we are here to just one arrow. That is show they are irreversible reaction. It means this is the static equilibrium. Second condition of the equilibrium is the dynamic equilibrium. The meaning of the dynamic is proceeding yet, means they are incomplete reaction. That type of the reaction which are start and move from forward direction, and after that they are moving from left to right, right to left, means in reverse direction. And this type of the reaction is called dynamic equilibrium, and this state where the both reactions are occur but in opposite direction, this state is called dynamic equilibrium. The example of the dynamic equilibrium is when molecule of the hydrogen and the iodine are met with each other, they form two molecule of the hydrogen iodide, but in closed system. When they are in closed system, the molecule of the hydrogen iodides are met, strike with the walls of container, they are decomposed. When they are decomposed, they change into their reactants. Mean first of all they are moved from forward, left to right in forward direction. After that they are decomposed and change from move in the reverse reaction, means from right to left direction, and this equilibrium is called dynamic equilibrium. After that we are taking the explanation, that is the graphical explanation of the dynamic equilibrium. In the graphical explanation we are taking one graph. In the graph we are taking x-axis. On the x-axis time is taken, and on the y-axis we are taking rate of reaction. When the number of reactants are at initial stage is high, that's why the forward reaction at initial stage is so high, and at initial stage reverse reaction is very low. But when we are reaction is proceeding, by passing some time, number of reactants are changed into products and number of products are increased. That's why the number of reactants and the products are equally. When the number of products and the reactants or the forward and the reverse rate is equal, that point where these both conditions are at equal state, this state is called dynamic equilibrium. I hope you all understand. And students, one assignment for you, and the assignment is that justify why dynamic equilibrium is never complete. Means you justify that why dynamic equilibrium is in proceeding. They are never be complete at any time. Justify that question, and Allah Hafiz. Stay home.